Why do you think the PDRA has the best racing in the world?
PDRA has the best racing in the world for one reason. There is zero room for error.
It is time to go. PDRA of drag racing.
We got the fastest cars on the planet in an eighth of a mile.
You're going to see side-by-side cars going well over 200 miles an hour.
We've got the tightest fields out of any series in drag racing.
There's no easy round of racing.
Nothing's easy out here. Nothing.
3 seconds. 200+ mile-per-hour monsters are rolling into the water box.
You know, we've all pulled up to a red light, looked at the guy beside us and said, man, I think I can outrun him to the next one. That street car of yours has 350 horsepower. These things right behind me, these things are 3,000, 4,000 horsepower.
These things are absolutely uncontrollable.
You're sitting at the tree waiting for it to come down, and the whole car is just vibrating.
It literally vibrates every bone in your body.
It's hearing it, feeling it, speaking it. You can even taste it even at times.
The cars are on the ragged edge every time they run.
It's kind of like riding a bull, and you got to decide who's riding who.
There's really no words to truly describe it.
The butterflies come into your stomach, and you're just ready to go.
Tree comes down. They're out the way. Side by side.
Step off the clutch pedal, you got 3 Gs instantly.
Feels like somebody is hitting you in the chest with a cinder block.
The acceleration is just unbelievable.
Feels like your eyes are popping out your head.
They're up on the wheelie bars and hanging the wheels for an 1/8 mile.
And you're just hanging on trying to get it to the finish line.
It's truly the most crazy adrenaline rush you could feel.
I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world.
5.52 10,000ths of a second.
If I have one message for fans, you're thinking about coming to a PDRA race, just do it.
I honestly think, I don't even think, I know this is the best side-by-side 8th mile drag racing in the world.
These are the fastest pro mods on the planet, closest racing.
Qualifying for a race over here can be the distance of an inch.
We've got people winning by thousandths and 10,000ths of a second.
You can't see these kind of things at any other venue.
This is the most open sport.
You can walk the pits, you can talk to these guys.
You know, you bring your kids out to this thing, drivers will put your kids in the cars. They want to meet the kids, they want to see all the excitement.
Come on down, come talk to me, come talk to your other drivers.
It's just a good family-oriented sport to come to.
If you like door slammers, if you like fast dragsters, I think the only place to race and watch is here.
Once you're here, you'll be like, why didn't I come out sooner?
PDRA is the most incredible sanctioned body in the world.
To come and see a great family atmosphere.
Pick someone to root for, pick someone to root against.
PDRA is some of the best racing in the world.
You have to come.
It's going to be the best race you've ever come to, bar none.